A truly balanced life. A truly balanced life is not just a work-life balance, but a balance among the four most important aspects of life: health, wealth, wisdom, and fun. They are very important for a purposeful and happy life. The first aspect of life is health. Health is a broad concept. A healthy life not only means a healthy body, but also a healthy mind and healthy social relationships. Everybody wants to enjoy a happy life. Do you know that 50% of your happiness comes from your health? If you are healthy, you can be happy as well. The second aspect of life is wealth. Wealth is not merely money, but is the ability to generate money. If you only have cash, it will depreciate each year due to inflation. However, if you have stocks and properties, they can help you generate consistent income and keep up with the inflation. Everybody understands the importance of money and wealth. We all need money to enjoy life. The third aspect of life is wisdom. Wisdom is an abstract concept. To make it simple, it is how well you understand the world and know how to do everything better. Wisdom is a broad concept which includes lifelong learning, how-to-dos in life, and solving world problems. Your success totally depends on your choices. Making wise choices about life leads to a better, happier, and successful life. The fourth aspect of life is fun. Fun is enjoyment, pleasure, and entertainment. Fun is only short-term, but the accumulation of fun experience will lead to your long-term happiness. All your feeling of fun or happiness comes from the happy hormones inside your body. They are serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphins, which are body's natural feel-good chemicals. Without doing fun things regularly, you will not feel happy. Now you understand why a good balanced life should include health, wealth, wisdom, and fun. In fact, these four aspects of life are interconnected. Any change of one will affect all the others. For example, if you can improve your health, you can save more on medical costs, have more energy on careers and learning, and can generate more happy hormones and feel more happy. Another good example is, if you can earn more money and build more wealth, you can order healthy meals every day, feel less financial pressures, take more premium courses for better learning, and travel around the world for fun. How can you maintain a balanced life? You need to invest time and money on all the four aspects of life. According to the 20-80 rule, 80% of the results come from only 20% of the activities. If your efforts come to the right place, it can make your life much easier. We have limited time and money. We can only do limited things. The good news is that there are activities that have synergies with different aspects of life. For example, when you play chess, you enjoy lots of fun and also improve your ability to think logically. That's a good synergy of wisdom and fun. Do you believe there is any job that can improve your health, make you lots of money, improve your thinking, and have lots of fun? Yes. There are some jobs like a professional golf player. Playing golf is very healthy to everybody. A professional golf player can make lots of money. Golf is a game requiring calculation and thinking. Playing golf is, of course, a lot of fun. Can you imagine how many activities have synergies with different aspects of life? There are quite a lot indeed. Here we have handpicked the top 10 activities that have the best synergies with different aspects of life. When you pay more attention to and spend more time on those activities, you can best utilize your time to achieve a healthy, financially worry-free, wise, and happy life. 1. Eating healthy food. You can never overestimate how important is healthy food for overall life quality. 50% of your happiness comes from your health, and 50% of your health comes from eating healthy food. Chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes are the leading causes of death and disability in the United States. They are also leading drivers of the nation's $4.1 trillion in annual healthcare costs. The primary cause of most chronic diseases is unhealthy food. Unlike acute diseases such as cold or flu, chronic diseases could accompany your whole life, which is very annoying. If you eat healthy food every day, you can prevent those chronic diseases. You will enjoy a healthy body and healthy mind. You will also be happier. If you are healthy, you can save a lot on medical costs as well. In short, eating healthy food is the top 1 activity to improve your life quality. 2. Maintaining a comfy home. You live in your home every day. Do you prefer a clean, organized, cozy, and comfy home or otherwise? A well-designed and clean home can bring peace, harmony, and happiness to your family. You can rent or buy a home. The monthly expense is mostly the same depending on your location. However, if you buy a home, you can build some equity, which would be a good hedge against inflation. Whether you buy or rent, even if you rent with a roommate, a well-designed and clean home is always necessary for a high-quality life. A minimalist home design can make a home both comfy and less costly. Based on that, You can add your personalized decorations to make it unique and special. 3. Good parenting. Most people will become parents. If you would like to become a parent, a good parenting should be a very important activity in life to focus on. Parenting could cause lots of stress and could be a critical factor for your mental and social health. Good parenting can bring up a healthy, smart, and responsible child and could save you lots of money in the future. To be a good parent is never an easy task. There are so many skills and techniques to learn for raising a good child. With a good child, you will have a happy family as well. 4. Traveling around the world. Of all the fun activities, travel could be the most fun but most costly one. Of all the travels, traveling around the world could be the most fun but most costly one. Many people's dream is to travel around the world. Traveling around the world gives you a chance to experience different life. You could also find your ideal place to live when you retire. Traveling around the world can also expand your visions and help you have a better understanding about the world. 5. Maintaining good relationship. Most people will find the most important other part. If you would like to build a good family, good relationship management should be an important area in life to focus on. Relationship issues could cause lots of stress and could be a critical factor for your mental and social health. It costs money to maintain or break a relationship. To maintain a good relationship is never an easy task. There are so many skills and techniques to learn for sure. However, a good relationship can improve your happiness significantly. 6. Practicing yoga and meditation. Yoga and meditation could be the most easy and inexpensive way to enjoy both physical and mental health. Half an hour per day of yoga and meditation can really change your life. In addition to better health, with long-term practices of yoga and meditation, you can have clearer and deeper thinking and can connect more parts in your brain. Yoga and meditation can also help you get into a deep enjoyment and achieve a long-term happiness. 7. Enjoying the arts and sports. The arts and sports are very good activities that are both fun and good to your health. The arts are especially useful to develop the right side of the brain and increase memory, cognition, and creativity. Just listening to beautiful music is enough to improve your mental health and happiness significantly. Sports can help make brain more efficient by boosting blood flow to the brain and enabling body to build more connections between nerves within the brain. In addition, sports promote hand-eye coordination and judgment. Sports are also much fun than just exercising. 8. Playing board games. E-games are fun, but you may need to watch the screen for a long time. Board games, on the other hand, are healthier for your body. Cooperative board games can also promote good mental and social health. Well-designed board games can be really fun and thought-provoking. They are good for either family or party. 9. Managing stress. Stress is very common to people, but can be destructive to our life. Some common causes include health issues, financial problems, learning difficulties, workplace or environment issues, relationship or parenting problems, accidents, etc. Stress management is critical to both physical, mental, and social health. There are also lots of skill and techniques that can help you reduce stress. 10. Lifelong learning. Only 20% of your knowledge is from formal education, while 80% of your knowledge comes from lifelong learning. The primary purpose of education is to help you start a career. There are many important life skills that you can't learn from schools. That's why so many people could face problems in life. Lifelong learning is totally different. The purpose is to pursue interests, self-improvement, and better life. Let's briefly recap the top 10 activities that have the best synergies with different aspects of life. 1. Eating healthy food. 2. Maintaining a comfy home. 3. Good parenting. 4. Traveling around the world. 5. Maintaining good relationship. 6. Practicing yoga and meditation. 7. Enjoying the arts and sports. 8. Playing board games. 9. Managing stress. 10. Lifelong learning. Enjoy a truly balanced life starting from today.
Thanks for watching.